And we got some obsidian flames.
I didn't get these, but we had these in a closet, and I guess I'm gonna open these.
And
I also got some obsidian flames.
for some reason they're like really heavy.
Yeah, I don't know why.
So, and we got this Celebrations booster box.
We're gonna open that in a different video.
And there will be some subscribers. If you like and subscribe, you could win one of these stickers. I'll lay them all out here. So if you want to win one of those, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment.
And
Let's dive into it.
comment down below.
And we're here with our cousin Olive. So let's get Obsidian Flames started. There's some really nice artwork in this set.
I want that Charizard.
Yeah, the super rare version. Oh wait. That was only one.
Yeah, it's one.
That's only
Don't forget. I saw something. I think I saw something on accident.
Oh, yep.
Did you see that? No. Oh, okay.
I'm not
Get over
ready.
here. Paxton, come on. Don't spoil the code.
Oh.
Bro.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were opening photos. You know.
But it's so
Alright. Wait. Alright.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Basic energy.
Minky.
Shelfa. Inca. Toadstool.
Houndoom. Dude, there
I
is
know.
some sick artwork on that Houndoom.
Oh, that is sick. Trevenant.
Stop at your last reverse.
On my last reverse.
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
This artwork is so cool.
Dude, this is so cool.
A double hitter.
And Talk Street. I don't know. Comment down below who won that one.
That was a sick battle.
That was insane.
Pidgeotto.
And the Poppy.
This is like one of the best artwork.
Yeah, and this one. This one's really good. Alright, next.
Alright, first
time for
pack
next pack.
magic.
I'm gonna save the Charizard artwork for like. Oh, okay.
Paxton, put your rare in the middle.
I didn't get it.
Pop
No,
it.
you got a hollow.
Yeah.
Did you see the elephant?
Oh, I didn't even see the elephant.
She popped.
Alright.
It's just that.
Pidgeotto. Oh, yours.
Well, Paxton won't. Paxton, put your hollow.
I'll go with
down.
Charizard.
Okay. I know.
Turn.
I got Charizard artwork.
This is.
Save Charizard.
No. I got Dragonite. My bad.
Alright. There. Man,
This one's hard to open.
I love this Houndoom artwork.
But this one's hard to open.
I'm saving Swordon.
There we go.
Dang, that card beat up right there in that corner. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Oh, so thick it landed in there.
What? This?
The trash, yeah. I don't. Okay.
Paxton, ready?
Oh, we both got.
Psychic.
Alright.
Basic energy.
Dratini,
Magikarp.
Oddish,
Scyther.
Glimmer.
Rockruff.
I don't know. Soul Rock.
Oh,
Oh, dude, we got the same.
thing. I think this is my last reverse.
This is my.
This is my last reverse.
Okay, last reverse.
I don't think
Ready?
it's
3,
I don't
2,
got anything. I think.
1, go.
Nothing.
Togekiss. Oh,
Another
Dene.
Another one.
Yeah, I got another.
You got a Dene.
Alright, my last pack is the Charizard.
I love the Toka kits.
Oh, give that to
Right. This one's like the hardest one to open so far.
The Dragonite was for me. Oh, that card's beat up right here. Yeah.
dying.
Alright.
Okay.
Beep, puppy. That's it.
Alright. Come on, Baxter.
Okay, I love this Pidgeotto.
Yeah, I also love the poppies. Is that what? Oh, I see. I saw something. I saw something.
No, Wooloo! Lucky. I got the pin.
Oh, I think I saw something.
Yeah, I saw something too last night. What did it look like? It kind of looked rainbow. Oh, this energy is, or maybe it's the next one.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Basic energy, small move, varmint move,
Vulpix.
electric,
What?
fox.
You got
Again!
No,
Ah.
that's just.
him. He did the pack trick.
Wait,
Woo, that's my favorite Pokemon. Or Charizard. Woo or
dang it! I don't think I got anything.
Why is he so cute?
I don't know.
Look at that mouth on that dude. 3,
Alright, 3,
2,
1.
1, go.
Oh, what a 50!
Oh, we got the same.
Oh yeah, Entei. Oh, that's a sick Entei.
Really?
I dropped down.
Alright.
Alright, well, I guess that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And shout out to Ollie's channel. What's it called again?
All the cards.
Oliver Cards. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Bye.
Peace. See ya.
You're awesome.